Another 70% off Target. There's a lot of toys on clearance, up to 70% off. Some of them they are unmarked and hidden clearance. All I need to do is scan and scan and scan. There's a lot. It's Christmas in July. Have you visited your Target lately? Oh my goodness, like so
I
many
can
clearance.
get that
Not
thing, the
only
dark
toys,
light over there.
also the summer stuff and the home, the lampshade. There's so many clearance, guys. Like you're gonna be bankrupt buying all this 70% off. Oh my goodness, I wish I have a girls for the princess. Look at that, 70% off. And don't forget to check every week. They always added up some toys. It was not even 50% off. It just went straight to 70% off. And some of the 50% off and still not 70. I don't know what Target, have their own mind. They kept jumping to
614, which one? That's
70 and
614?
then 50% off and 30% off.
Oh, that's
It's
the one in
so
here. That's 614.
weird. So many toys, guys.
And these, what is this?
Have
Did you
done
scan
your
this?
Christmas shopping lately? Oh my goodness.
How much is that?
And I got that, of course, like $4.49. I got this one, and so many guys. And I told them not to get that. We got the big one. Oh, there's so many Christmas in July. We got that Battle World, and we keep looking for more DC Multiverse, because we found some from the other stores, and the other store they don't have anymore. So every week, like mostly, they keep adding up more clearance. And don't forget to check the blanket, the pillowcases. So many clearance, guys. Hopefully you cross out some of your Christmas wish list. And the padlock. Do you need any padlock, guys? You need to. Who use padlock nowadays? But it's 70% off. I didn't get some, but you can sell it online. But I didn't, because I don't want to. I have to control myself. And yeah, they're $5.99, and the Roblox. There's so many, guys. The $2 Batman, but I want a Superman, and the lamps. So many, guys. Every aisle. Don't forget to check. Oh my goodness. Kind of hoping there's a raining money. We gotta manifest. Money come to me, money come to me, money come to me, so we can buy a lot of stuff. And the lava lamp, they're $750. Only one color, the blue one. The rest are regular price. See you on my next video.